Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing these 24 count acrylic paint jars. Let's get started. Let's open it now. I love how pretty all these colors are. There's the metallic side, there's the neon side, there's the glitter side, and there's the primary side. These are like perfect for like any school projects or just painting for fun. I especially love how there's like glitter, and I love how shiny the metallic ones are. And the neon one is pretty vibrant. The primary ones are too. And they're so cool. Alright guys, time to test it out. I'm gonna be getting these colors to paint a rainbow. So red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Alright guys, I'm gonna open it. Let's start painting. The lines look so smooth, and I really love all the colors. Let's finish up with red. Now I'm going to close it back up. Now it's time for the orange. Let's open it up and start painting. And again, the colors are so vibrant and smooth. It's super nice. Next up is the yellow. This is looking pretty good so far. Now it's time for the green. Let's paint it on right next to the yellow. And after the green, I'm gonna do the blue. Let's finish up on the green. Now the last color is blue. I'm gonna finish painting the rainbow. I'm really happy with how the rainbow turned out, and I really love all the colors. This paint set is totally worth it. Here's a close-up of the rainbow. And yeah, that's it for today everyone. See you all next time. Bye!